That truck just started and died. Dude, they are. They're gonna try to tow this thing with a cable. This is hilarious. This is fucking hilarious. Oh my god. He's trying to tow the truck with jumper cables, dude. They tried to tow the truck with jumper cables. The girl's like, it's gonna stretch so bad. I don't even think the truck moved. I don't even think it moved. Oh my god, you idiots. They tried to use jumper cables, dude, to tow a 76 Chevy. Oh my god. It doesn't matter, your jumper cables didn't work. Oh, now they're pushing it. Oh, jumper cables now, but the jumper cables are fucking dangling in the front probably. They are. He's pulling it by the jumper cables. Look, 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 look. Look at homeboy pulling the jumper cables. He's pulling the jumper cables. Look, look at this. Look at this mule. You gotta be kidding me. Dumb fucking redneck motherfuckers.